Now I want just to go very, very quickly with the fellows, in particular, just to tell us a word or two about how did this fellowship help you um, to achieve anything you wanted to do, whether personally or in development, and your recommendations for those who are thinking to apply.
Yeah, so I'd say this fellowship was extremely useful. So I've done it mid PhD, as I'm sure a lot of people will be thinking of doing. Uh, Personally, I was able to get a publication in a workshop. So I was able to travel for that, which was exciting. You know, it's always cool to go to an event and be able to present your work there. Beyond that as well, I got to work on a slightly different area of research. So I am working on internet protocol stuff. However, internet measurement is similar, but I'd say more adjacent to my work. So I got to experience something different and meet a whole new group of researchers. And then beyond that as well, in terms of recommendations for the next set of people, I would just say if you're having doubts about whether you think you're right for the application process or would be able to do the work, then I would say apply anyway. This was a bit of a moonshot for me, this application, but it's very straightforward. I put my application in, obviously did the interview, and things went well. So yeah, just if you're having doubts about applying, I'd say just go for it, and you never know what might happen. So yeah, thank you to the Internet Society as well. But that's probably it from me. Thanks.
I also had a amazing experience with this fellowship. So one of my biggest comments is that I could expand my network to meet some amazing people that I might not be able to interact with without this fellowship program. So I think that is one of the biggest takeaway for me, and also to expand to see the perspective, to see the problem from other perspective is very important. And yeah, Internet Society might be one of the let's say organization that would be able to combine multiple perspective into one. And regarding recommendations, yeah, as James also mentioned, just try, just apply for it. And yeah, some of my friends already started to be curious about this program, and I would say that to them that yeah, just try it. It will be a great opportunity for your research as well. And lastly, I want to thank ISOC and especially Ambrish for supervising me. And yeah, it is an honor to work with ISOC. Thank you.
I think it was a very good opportunity to work on topics that were close to my interests and close to my heart, enabling me to continue the work I did for my PhD for another half year. And I think it's a good idea for an application for a fellowship to find a good topic that you have an interest for within the realm of the Internet Society pools, and just go for it.
I'll probably repeat some things I've heard because it's been great working with Hannah and Amrish and getting to know what the Pulse team works on. And it was also kind of, you just saw the application come through and were like, it would be interesting to work on some different data sets and then apply some of our research in a different context. And we just tried it, and then we got a fellowship, and it's been great working with the Pulse team and working on this project. So yeah, I just think if you have some interest in the internet and then moving it forward, that you should apply and then just see what happens.